Welcome, YouTubers. Got some goofballs playing on my new car. Bounce it. Lowrider. Again, looks like it's a lowrider. Imagine I had 14-inch spokes on it. How low it sits. Yeah, 15-inch hubcaps. Yeah. Look at that, 400. She's a beast. 6.6 liter. Go ahead and shut this.
You want me to do it again?
No, I'm just getting video. Easy on it. Don't step on the...
Right there?
Yeah. No. Goes on top.
Goes on top?
Yeah, it goes on top of the bumper. You got kind of... Yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
There you go.
79 Lincoln Mark V.
There's only 3 of them mint condition left in the Posey Vandenberg County area.
I want to ride
What's
that
that?
something like this, Scott.
Yeah, right.
There's a white one with the same bucket on it.
Look at this. Look at this nice interior. Seats are like perfect. Back seat too. Got the CB radio in it. That works. Check this out. Check this window out. This window is awesome. Yeah, got the main window. And it's got the little window. Ain't that just so cool? Ah! Ooh. Door ajar. Might need to idle it up now. Look at this beast. She got the new horn. Get back in here.
$1, huh?
Look. Shut off because it's a gas guzzler. Look at this trunk. It's kind of a mess right now. Got the old muffler. I got a Flowmaster 40 series on it right now. Still ain't got the tailpipe on it yet.
Enough for about 4 hookers.
Look at this. This is the best part. The original spare. Never touched ground. It's awesome. Even come with a roll of toilet paper from 1979.
Give me a whole one.
Fires right up. Needs paint, but not too bad. Hey, hit my lights here in a second. Check out these lights. So I can pull that knob out. My high beams are on. Go ahead and shut them off. Look at that. Go ahead and turn them back on. My high beams are on. Here, watch out.
Oh, you gotta switch them off right above them, don't you?
No, the high beams are on the floor.
Oh, yeah, then.
Yep, high beams are on. Check it out. The switch for the high beams.
Hey,
There, they should be off
one
here.
thing you should know to watch for. Don't pull out that switch. Your brother made that mistake.
Alright, go and shut the lights off. Look at that. She's a beast. Alright. This is her elope.
Yeah, it's Transformers cool cars in the sky.
Roll my window up. It's the coolest damn thing. Shut the key off.
Alright, let's do this back.
Check it out. The new horn.
That's still gotta work tomorrow. So I know that's gotta work.
Power locks work. Power seats, both sides. Car's in great shape. I'm the second owner of it. It's only got like 100,220 miles on it. Original. It's been to Vegas once or so. Been to Florida. Been all over the place. It's in great shape. Be a restoration project. Still working on tuning the motor up good. But she's a good running car. But this is the first update on it. I know it's been a while since I had the video up on something. Unfortunately, I don't have the van no more. I got rid of it. I got this car now. But well,
Yeah,
that's about it.
Sticker?
I'll catch you later.
I know.
Later.